This is the first time ever that the youth have been involved. When I mean the youth, like the kids, there were 47 kids picked from all different districts around Somaliland. What's up, KO Squad? Hope you guys are having a beautiful day, because I'm having a beautiful day today. But before I start this, I just want to say thanks so much to everyone who's a subscriber basically to my channel. Where my channel is, I kind of showcase Somaliland, mostly Hargeisa since I live here in the capital, but I do travel around different places. But to 5,000 subscribers, I finally passed 5,000 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you guys. Thanks so much for all the comments and all the love you're showing me. And yeah, thanks to all the people who voted for me for the best vlogger.
So the winner
Khalid, I have a surprise for you.
The winner is...
Well, best Somali vlogger here, like in East Africa. So yeah, so happy for that. But today I have come to Hargeisa Culture Center for a very special event, Urban Visioning Hargeisa. So it's about trying to make Hargeisa into a more urbanized kind of city. I've been here for like 3 days already, and it's such an amazing initiative by the UN Habitat and UNICEF. So as well, this is the first time ever that the youth have been involved. When I mean the youth, like the kids, there were 47 kids picked from all different districts around Somaliland, and now they've all come together. They're going to give a presentation at the end, which you're going to see. So yeah, let's just go get this, and again, make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you guys subscribe, and hit that notification button so you guys know, because I post twice a week. All right, so you want to know when it comes out. Trust me. See you guys later. Bye.
Urban Vision Week Hargeisa. We actually engaged around, I would say, a couple of hundred of people throughout the week, helping them to envision their own city, which is a quite exciting thing to do. And I think we reached out to many groups in society, including many children, disabled persons, women, IDPs, students, and of course also the officials of the city. So all together we went through several stages of planning, looking at the past, looking at the current situation before, envisioning really how the city should look like in the next 20, 10 and 5 years. But also a group of children really looked at the scale of the street, neighborhood and the stadium, and actually try to use modern technology like block by block and Minecraft to envision how this space could look like, not in 20 years, but in the next year or so. So it's a whole variety of interventions, but it's also having a new story, a narrative about the city that really inspires people. And it all comes together in a kind of vision declaration that people put together yesterday, presented today. And I think it looks good, it sounds good, and I think the mayor is also very satisfied with this input to the next phase, which is actually putting this together in the Hargeisa Urban Plan 2040, and of course also a program to really change things on the ground in terms of placemaking, quick win impact projects. So I think we really made a very bold start of this planning process, and I really hope that the people will push for change and that they will all become their own city changer.
magacaygu waa Minax Macaw, waxaan ka socday suuqa dheer ee magaalada Hargeysa ee xaafadda Maxamed Haywe. aad iyo aad ayaan ugu faraxsanahay in lagu martigeliyo xarunta dhaqanka ee Hargeysa. aad iyo aad ayaan ugu mahadnaqaynaa madaxda dawladda hoose ee Hargeysa. halkan waxaan noo soo diray waxay ahayd sidii aanu Hargeysa 20 sano kadib sidii aanu u casriyeyn lahayn, aanu caasimadaha adduunka aanu mid kaga dhigi lahayn, aanu ku biirin lahayn caasimadaha adduunka. seminaarkan oo kale waxaan ka bartay seminar horta hore uma tagin. seminaarkan laakiinse waxaan ka bartay waxyaabo fara badan oo ay ka mid yihiin wax loo yaqaan likes and dislikes, waxaad jeceshahay waxaad necebtahay. waxaa kaloo ka bartay wax loo yaqaano laptop aan aad iyo aad u aqoonin ayaa xoogay leeyahay. intan gudaha ku jirnay waxaan dibadda ka soo bartay meehan intan macalinkaygu uu hor taagnaa ayuu bana baray wax kalena maanan meel kale oo ka soo bartay ma jirin si laakiin macalinkaygu baa ii dhigay insha Allah taala aan ku tala jiraa inaan dhisaynadan iyo dhisayno kale oo fara badan aan caasimadda Hargeysa ku soo daro kuna soo gudbiyo dollar class 8 baan maray haddaan la shaqeeyo aad iyo aad ayaan ugu baahanahay waxaan doonayaa inaan hamigayga aan ka dhigo nice dream inaan ka dhigan doonayaa dollar
okay kartay aad iyo aad u mahadsantahay
adaan
My name is Osman Ibrahim and I'm architect and urban planner from University of HARGEISA. I heard that there's a big project which is vision for 2040. That's how we can change our city in terms of society, in terms of environment, in terms of buildings and housing, and how to care the society. I learned many things like to help each other, to be more commitment about your society and how it works. Also, I learned to develop and facilitate the people. UN Habitat came to our university and it told us that there's a big project and we have to participate it. So we come here and participate it and give our knowledge and that's it.
magacaygu waa Ibrahim Cumar waxaan kamid ahay ardayda ka qayb qaadatay showgan lagu soo bandhigayo Hargeysa sida way kaanaysa 2040 run ahaantii waxaan ka faa'iiday different notions and different idea aad baan ugu faraxsanahay waxaan ka socdaa ardayda University of Hargeysa part kalena waxaan ka ahay Grodic Buffet Radiation so in Hargeysa ay yeelato bilic badnaata aad bay u qurux badan tahay aad baan ugu faraxsanahay and I enjoy it in seminaradan kale xaadiro wad maasantiin assalaamu calaykum
guys so we are done right now I just want to say thanks for watching guys make sure you know what to do hit that like button hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification button so you know when the videos are coming up Ajad Mahasente for the 5,000 subscribers and for the people who voted for me to become the best vlogger I guess it's in East Africa it was part of the Somali Global Award so definitely it's really an honor and I'm really happy to have had that and yeah let's get plenty more videos out here now and it's just amazing what I learned from this program so it's just the vision hopefully it can actually be done do you know what I mean I can see in grassroots level there's a lot of commitment a lot of drive a lot of initiative on the grassroots level but hopefully it can be taken up higher and actually something done with this information that we have basically kind of collected and come up with and yeah make sure to keep working together and keep pushing the Somalis up all right guys peace blessings ski assalamu